Open up the box and lay it print side down. Fold the flaps in on both sides on the creases, including around the inner tray. Pick up the side flaps, making sure the one with the circle is on the outside, and flap the side over and repeat this side. Now fold in the inner tray. Your cupcakes need to measure between 70 and 75 millimeters across. There's a simple way to check. Take the plastic dome, turn it upside down, turn your cupcake upside down and sit it into the dome. It should sit nice and securely. If it's too small, as this one is, it can tip, and this will happen and damage them in transit. Pull the cakes into the box, pop on the dome, and the bridge with the flat side at the front. Close the box, make sure the flaps sit nice and neatly flat there, and tuck the sides in.